Myself T. Nandini, Assistant Professor of IT. Today we discuss about the backup architecture in storage technology. What is meant by backup architecture means it defines overall design, component, workflow of the system that protect the organizational data and ensure the recoverability in case of failure, corruption, or disorders. Next. Backup architecture indicated with hardware, software, network path, and a policy to provide the reliable and efficient scalable data production. The architecture also define how the backups are scheduled, stored, and retrieved. The directly affected the performance, storage utilization, and disaster recovery effectiveness. This is known as backup architecture. Typically, backup architecture consists of components, different components. First component is backup server. It also called as a media server. Backup server is also known as a media server. Act as a central control unit for backup environment. It coordinate all backup tasks, schedule backup jobs, monitor the health of backup process, and manage the transfer of the data from production system to storage target. In large scale environment, multiple media server may be deployed into distributed load and improve the throughput. Next is a backup software. Backup software manage the creation, storage, and restoration of the backup. It provides the critical features such as scheduling, deduplication, compression, encryption, restoration. First of all, the what is scheduling is it define when the backup is occur daily, weekly, or incrementally. Next is a deduplication. It removes the duplicate data to save the storage space and reduce the network load. Next is a compression. It minimizes the backup size for the efficient storage and faster transfer. Next is the encryption. Secure the sensitive data during the transit and the rest type. Next is the restoration. Provide the flexible recovery option, including the full system, file level, or application restores. Next component is a backup target. Backup targets are destination where the data is stored. They include disk-based storage, fast, reliable, and suitable for the frequent backup. Next is a visual tape libraries. It's shortly called as a VTL, cost effective for long term storage. Next is a cloud storage, scalable offsite storage that provide the disaster recovery and geographic redundancy. Next is a hybrid storage, combine the on premises and cloud target to balance the speed and cost. Next component is data path transport mechanism. The data path represents the network connectivity used to transform the backup data from production system to backup target. Next we move on to next component, redundancy and policy management. What is meant by redundant policy? It determines how the long backups are stored and when they are deleted or removed to the archival storage. The policy include RPO, recovery point objective, maximum tolerable data loss. Next is a RTO, recovery time objective, maximum acceptable downtime during the recovery. Next is a versionizing, maintaining the multiple backup version to support the point in time recovery. Next is a compliance retention, ensuring the data is preserved according to the legal or requirement. regulatory requirement. Next component is advanced feature in modern backup architecture. First is a snapshot. It provides the point in time copy of the data without affecting the production performance. Next is a replication. Copy, backup the data to remote site or cloud for disaster recovery. Next is automation. It reduces the manual intervention and ensure the consistent backup across the multiple system. Next is monitoring and reporting. Track the backup completion, failure alert and storage utilization. Next is impact on performance recovery. Well designed backup architecture ensure the minimal impact on the production workload while providing the fast and reliable recovery. It balances the storage efficiency, network bandwidth, backup windows. Example, in modern data center, backup architecture may consist of multiple backup server coordinating the daily incremental backup from virtualized server to deduplicate the disk-based storage array with replication to cloud provider for off-site production. Snapshot may be used for hourly backup while long-term archival is handled using the tape library. This is called the backup architecture in storage technology. Thank you.